Euro against US dollar. This week started here with this bullish candle, a bullish breakout, and you get a further rise in value, and we can see the price has returned back down, invalidating this bullish breakout as a valid one, and then the price could not manage to continue to lose its value, but returned back up, making again a bullish breakout above and reaching 1.14822 as resistance level. From here we can see that on the Friday the price has returned back down, trying now making a bearish breakout below this area of support. A weekly time frame shows us that we have currently a bullish candle with a larger wick on the upper side, almost no wick on the lower side, which means there was no selling pressure strong enough to push the price further down, but there is a buying pressure trying to move to higher price levels. What you can see here on the monthly time frame, currently we have just started the month, so there is no conclusions right here. So let's see what happens. But currently how the market looks that there is a potential that the price continue to rise in value. Now the weekly time frame also shows us that we have here the price stop at just below this area of resistance 1.14162, which means there is a strong selling pressure here, the selling pressure which is a supply zone that the price could not manage to make easily a bullish breakout. That is on the weekly, but on the daily the price managed that to move to the further to the rise and reaching higher price levels, but from here the price returned slightly back down. So what we can expect in the next week? First of all, the price is currently in the uptrend, which means the price will try to move to the higher price level. This bearish breakout that has been formed on the Friday could also be a false one, because it is a Friday when the traders get out from their trades. So this means the buyers who have pushed the price here to the upper side of this range, this means they have exited their trades on a Friday, which has as a consequence has created this bearish candle, which means on a Monday, if they enter again into the trade, the market could continue to rise in value. So it is important to see how the Monday will close, because it is mostly indication what will happen during the week. So for now, on the EURUSD, I am more inclined to see the price going to the higher price levels, but I will wait for the Monday to close to see how the price will react. Also on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, I will watch closely, is there any bullish or bearish breakouts happening currently on the market, and if there is, I will share that with the traders inside the premium analysis, so you are informed when this happens, and also what is the target, what is the stop loss. The link for the premium analysis will be below in the description, so feel free to check that and join if you like that. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.